Today, the web is in crisis. Beyond the challenge of bad ad behaviors and the growth of ad blockers, sluggish performance has turned the web from an experience we used to call surfing, remember when we called it surfing, to one that feels more like slogging through mud. The open environment of the web that is so crucial to our businesses and to our societies is at risk. One cannot escape the conclusion that some of the growth in time spent on social networks is a result of the comparatively unsatisfying experience of the web. Audience engagement is key to a publisher's business and key to an advertiser's success. It's key to our business at Google. We all know that. But we've lost sight of the key trigger to engagement: speed. The first thing we need to do to keep people engaged with the open web: speed it up. What's the ideal speed? Instant. Anything less than instant simply leads to reduced engagement. Indeed, research shows that more than 50% of users abandon a site if it takes longer than 3 seconds to load. While we can't expand the amount of time in a day, we can take steps to make sure every second is used more wisely. The web today is not instantaneous, and it needs to be. Advertising on the web too often is not respectful of the user's experience, and it needs to be. How can we ensure that the open web continues to be open, vibrant, and compelling? How can we make sure that the communications platform of all communications platforms doesn't lose relevance in face of popular but proprietary closed platforms, so that publishers and advertisers can have the broadest opportunities to engage with audiences, to craft creative solutions, to maintain their own destinies? An open and vibrant mobile web is a publisher's closest friend, an advertiser's closest ally. On this objective, publishers, advertisers, and Google share a common cause. We all depend on the open ecosystem of expression and knowledge that is the web for our media distribution, as an open environment for ad distribution, as an open environment that no one controls. It is the web that allows publishers and advertisers to find and build audiences, and of great importance, to find and build audiences for the new products that digital publishers and marketers are creating and need to create. It is the web's rich ecosystem of knowledge that allows products like Google Search to have relevance and value. It is what allows our ad platforms to be successful. So Google, publishers, and advertisers have a mutual self-interest in the health and viability of the open internet and the open web. A little over a year ago, we launched an effort to address these challenges. It was called the Accelerated Mobile Pages Project, an open source collaboration with dozens of publishers, ad tech players, and platforms from around the world. In just over 15 months, we as a community have crafted technology to speed up the web and offer better user experiences with both content and advertising. Yes, regular ads are bulky and slow. The average mobile ad comes in at a hefty 816K, which will take 4 seconds to load on a decent 3G connection. Contrast that to the less than 1 second it takes to load an AMP page. But more problematic is that the average mobile page makes 107 uncoordinated ad server requests. So the challenge remains. No matter how good we make the content experience on the web will remain broken until we fix the very foundation that digital advertising is built on. And that's what we set out to do with AMP for Ads. Like the AMP project itself, AMP for Ads is an open source initiative to make ads as fast and engaging and secure as AMP pages. AMP ads address not just how ads are built, but also how they're delivered and how they're measured.